Hello, James Graney here from internetbizuni.com, and in this video I'm going to be explaining to you the best way to learn how to run a successful Amazon FBA business. So this question came about in the Internet Biz Uni Brand Builders Help Group on Facebook. A new member asked this question. They said that they're reading a book currently about Amazon FBA, and do we think, again, they asked this to all of the members of the group, do we think that this is the best way to learn what you need to do to run your own successful Amazon FBA business? In this video, I'm going to explain the pros and cons with the different ways that you can choose to learn it so that you know the best way to learn how to run your own successful Amazon FBA business. Okay, so there are lots of different ways that you can learn how to run your own business. You can take nuggets from here, take nuggets from there, and add them all together to create your own successful business. So now I'm just going to jump into the different ways, the kind of pros and cons and what you should know about each of the ways. So the first way is as mentioned by this new member of our group, and that is buy books. And again, I'm going to class a few things together because I want to make this a really quick video just to kind of get this off my chest and out to you so that, if you're wondering and you're in this situation, the same situation that this new member was in, that you kind of get the answer to this. So I want to make it really quick for you. And the first one is that you can learn from books, and I'm going to class that with books, podcasts, and YouTube videos like this one. I'm going to class all of these together because they're pretty much the same thing. It's someone giving you their knowledge, stuff they have learned, and sharing it with you. You can either decide to read this from them, you can listen to their podcast, or you can watch their video like you're doing now. Again, this is a great way to get an overview of the entire business model, to learn the different kind of learning patches in it. Learn from someone else, learn from their mistakes, learn from what they want to share with you. This is a great way to get an overview of all of that. And again, just classing all these together because they are pretty much the same thing. Whether I decide to write it all down in a book so that you can read it, or whether I decide to spit it out to a camera like this, or whether I decide to create a podcast to let it out, it's someone letting you know their knowledge, giving you an overview so that you can get an understanding of it before you jump into it. Or if you have already jumped into it, you can get an overview of what's to come, or kind of, common pitfalls, different things like that. And that's where this method of learning is good. The next method I want to speak to you about is step-by-step video tutorials. And again, these are very good for learning how to do it. So these are not kind of the overview. You should get the overview of what it is you're trying to achieve before you actually go out there and purchase any kind of step-by-step course, because without having the overview, you're going to find it difficult. You're not going to know exactly what you're striving to achieve. You're just going to be seeing a load of these how-to videos, how to actually implement it. And, when I put together a video course, the Unique Private Label course on Amazon FBA, teaching you what I know about creating your own private label brands and products and launching them on Amazon FBA, I put it together in that style. So you can literally watch from video one, and you'll see, click here, click there. This is how you set up a listing. This is how you create your Amazon account. This is how you do all of the little nitty gritty things that you need to do. And they're great for doing that. If you're trying to get that from a book or from a podcast or from a video like this, it's very difficult because it's not all together. It's not in that kind of format that you need, that you want to see, what do I want to do after this step? Again, it saves time. You can put all of the different books you read together, all of the different podcasts you listen together, all of the different videos you watch on YouTube. You can put them all together and kind of make something of it, but it's not going to be in that same structure, that same, do this step, then do this step, then do this step, and kind of showing you how to do it. Usually after reading a book, you still have to find out, where to click. And again, you can just go and do this, take it on yourself, just get the brief overview and start actually implementing. But yeah, that's what a step-by-step course is good for. Video tutorials is for just showing you what to do and when to do it. And then the third way of learning is a great way, and it's not often mentioned, and that is Facebook groups. So like this person done. They ask this question into the Internet Biz Uni Brand Builders Help Group, and they get answers back. And that's the same no matter what stage you're at in your business, or what interests you have. There's going to be a Facebook group out there with people that share the same interest, or in the business sense, that are running the same types of businesses. So again, it's kind of the mix that you can get the overview and then ask your questions in these groups. So it's a more in-time learning. You're learning about what's kind of going on now, what's working now, and you're able to get feedback on your thoughts. It's a great way of learning. It's one that you don't often hear, but it's one of the best ways to learn, especially if you actually spend the time to build relationships with people inside these groups, because no one knows it all. Someone's going to know some part of it that you need to know. You're going to know some part of it that someone else needs to know. You're not going to be that keen on sharing it unless you actually know them. So that is why it's really important to be in these groups and to be rightly in them, to be actually answering questions in them, be building relationships in them, getting to know the other members. That's where these groups, Facebook groups, are extremely powerful. One time it was all forums. You would connect with other people in forums that had the same similar type interests as you. But now it is all done inside Facebook. And if there's one reason, and one reason only, for someone to be using Facebook, I would say it's for Facebook groups. That's simply it. If you don't like social media, don't use social media, then that's fair enough. That's your choice. But if there's one thing that can persuade you, it's to use Facebook groups to just connect with people that have similar interests as you, people that you can help out, people that can help you out. Just wanted to shoot this quick video. It's a question I answered in the group. Thought it would be helpful for someone else, maybe. If you kind of have been wondering this, or it's something that you might wonder in the future, kind of the different ways of learning, different things like that, then I hope that this video has helped you out. And if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. Leave them down below anyway, even if you don't have any questions, because then you enter in for another chance to win the Gary V sneaker giveaway. As long as you're subscribed to the channel, leave a comment on my videos. The more comments you leave on the different videos, the more chances you have to win. So drop a comment below and have another chance to win. Hope that you've enjoyed this really quick video, and look forward to speaking to you on the next one. Bye.